Last month, we went on a last-minute camping trip to the beach. We stayed in Carpinteria State Beach Campground, just the two of us, and spent 2 nights there. It was such a relaxing and much-needed little getaway where we just walked around the beach, sat around the fire, and cooked delicious food together. I hope that you enjoy this video and that it inspires you to get out and explore and have your own little getaway because there's so much to see out there.
Everything goes white. I can feel the breeze. Euphoric delight. Only you and me. Boy, your honey sickly sweet keeps me coming, got me weak. You could kill me, I'd still be. Darling, your number 6 feet.
Howdy, neighbor. Hi. How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Well, I'm blessed.
I feel safe. Think you work better than my prescriptions. Nothing feels as good as you do. If you ever leave, I'll be real sad. Let's both hope that it don't get so bad. Pour your honey sickly sweet keeps me coming, got me weak. You could kill me, I'd still be. Darling, your number 6 feet deep. Oh, it's real hard to break this habit. It's like I want you 24/7. When I'm without you, boy, I feel sick. Think you work better than my prescriptions. Better than my prescriptions.
Yeah. Oh yeah, because the sun's right there. Oh, but we can come here, huh? Oh, we should have. We didn't come prepared, I feel like. Look at that girl tattoo. Oh, we made it. It's not a picture.
Oh my god.
Think you work better than my prescriptions.
Transforming like a transformer right now.
I know.
Officially beach vibes.
Mario told me it was gonna be cold, and I brought long sleeves and jeans, and it's not cold. It is warm. I want to buy new ones.
So those?
Yeah.
Ours are pretty
What is it? The blanket? I'm trying to.
Nobody saw us silently floating out in some
Did we bring napkins? No. Oh my gosh.
Nobody saw us.
It went terrible today.
No more?
It's running out.
I think there's a store close by.
I'll think of that distant prairie eyes, skipping western skies, and running off alone.
You don't have to put it all. You could just put it like half or whatever you think.
Nobody sees me here in this concrete, washing my dish.
It's just mush now.
It tastes good though.
I know it does taste good. It doesn't look like fried rice.
Constantly leaving you one day, losing. I'll think
It is good. Even though we failed that fried rice, it is pretty good.
Western skies and wondering what it even meant.
Like that or stronger?
Like, that's fine.
Good morning.
What's up, girl?
I slept so comfortable.
Uncomfortable?
Comfortable. Hello.
Huh?
Coffee time? This is the best sleep I've ever had.
I honestly felt like I'm saying I did wake up quite a bit of times, but when I go to sleep, I feel like I went into like deep sleep.
I wonder if it's the ocean.
Is left behind. For 13 years, I was so scared you would find I was getting high. You deemed me worthy when the story now it's us versus them. When your heart breaks, my heart breaks in two. And when you're
How many tokens though?
It doesn't say
But
it.
even the machine.
Like, this is what I was talking
No,
about.
oh. Remember yesterday there was a lot of space?
Mm-hmm.
What was it?
It's a squirrel.
Everywhere, 14 and I lost my mind. I took too much. They were scared I'd die. Protect each other like good
Me to pick, but I didn't know anything, so I was like, all of them, whatever
I
comes first.
tried to be brave like you.
There's always something to do.
It'd be the same if we both knew trials ahead from trails
It's a
behind.
hotel, huh? Or is it apartments?
I'm gonna take my shoes off over there.
When your heart breaks,
It is cold.
I know. I'm gonna have to switch my jeans. Good thing I brought extras.
Beach day at the beach. Spring break officially starts. For me, not for you.
Well, mine ends.
when you're laughing, the whole room shines with lights. When you're trying, I'll give everything to make
making movie. I'll pick you up, we'll go eat sushi. Or we'll go downtown. With our best moves we can boogie.
We should get up and play some goldfish.
You really did.
I didn't think that much, did I?
Yeah, you did. You sound like an hour.
No way, have not been in here for an hour.
I'm just
I watched
kidding.
the show first too.
Barely.
And that was the first one I did watch. That was like a 30-minute one.
No, it was.
We are goofy, playing tag in the jacuzzi. We'll go upstairs. With our best
I didn't even
moves
think
we
about
can
that. That's
boogie.
true. Yeah. My legs are not that long, man. Okay.
Move so fly like sweet apple pie. Yeah, they want a piece of us.
There.
My oh my, when we drive on by, they just can't deny. Yeah, they wanna be like us. Na, 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 just let them think that we are crazy when we drive around in our Mercedes. We're out all night or at home lazy. We're
Go
living
fish.
like we're in the 80s. My oh my, we both look so fly.
We're gonna film more of this little book out right now. We bought this at the Powell Library when we went on our 17-day road trip. We have our first camping trip. It was Kachuma Lake, weather in the 90s, terrain dirt, first camping trip, cooked ribeye steak, and visited Sylvain and ate Danish bread, Mario's birthday trip. It's too cloudy to see the sunset. It was nice when it was still up there though.
It was nice.
It was nice.
It was nice to come down here. I'm telling you, we're done. We should have came earlier instead of going into 10. But you're right, we never go into 10. So I told you.
Maybe we should go. What time is it?
It's already your sunset time.
Yeah, it's already sunset time.
I told you.
Yeah, it's not gonna happen for us today. We need to go to the desert again.
It's kind of stormy too. It wasn't just raining. I was like,
Windy and stuff. Yeah, it was pretty crazy. That's what I was like.
oh my gosh.
That's crazy, huh?
Is it rusted?
A little bit.
From the outside though, huh?
Yeah.
That's a good thing that I left it like upside down.
Last chance to see the ocean before we leave.
Looks good. Alright. Another campground to say bye to.
But first, coffee. There's not even anything to show it.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then I'm like, drink whole milk. Don't let them know.
Why? Are you gonna want your bundle now? Who's got a breakfast burrito now?
Yeah.
The CLT.